Now is the time to deliver pain to the world. Almighty push!
What? No! Why? How? Hurry! Hurry! Please! Naruto! Hurry! Please! Naruto! What's this? The Leaf Village is devastated.
It's clear who did this. I sense the same energy as when we rode atop Jiraiya Boy's shoulders.
Naruto Uzumaki.
You are pain.
Now I don't have to hunt you down.
Wait!
I'm your opponent!
Grandma?
The sign on her forehead has disappeared. I see. In order to save the village, she gave all of her chakra to everyone through Katsuyu.
You are alive. You really are one of the Sannin.
I'm the 5th Hokage. You dare to trample on the dreams of my predecessors? For that insult, I, the Hokage, will finish you here and now!
You finally comprehend pain. But I have no interest in you. I seek...
Me!
Naruto!
Grandma, I'll take over. Keep the rest of the village out of this. I can't be worrying about anyone else.
All right. But take Katsuyu with you. She has intel.
Please. Yeah.
Naruto, I leave it to you.
You challenge me alone. I suspect you may come to regret that decision.
This stops now! I'm gonna bring peace about in my own way! My new jutsu will finish this in one go! What you've done is unforgivable!
Mission start.
So you've acquired the same jutsu as Jiraiya-sensei.
Jiraiya-sensei?
I too learned jutsu from Jiraiya. He was once my teacher as well. We are sibling disciples, you and I. Students of the same sensei. We ought to be able to understand each other. Our master desired peace.
Shut up! What part of any of this is peaceful? Thank God Mirage!
You see not the forest for the trees. You cannot know the true meaning of peace. Just allow yourself to be captured. Your death shall lead to peace.
I said shut up!
Deidara was right. You do not listen. But what if I plant fear and pain in your heart?
What?
I'll destroy your village, kill your friends, and crush your heart.
I can't let him do that!
Hold on, kid. Some small fry have popped up.
Chief, give me a hand! Let's get rid of him quick!
Hop aboard. I'll carry you.
Great! But first I'll take care of the small fry!
You got it.
Mission start.
Chief, if slashing doesn't work, I'll hammer them!
It's pointless. Summoning jutsu.
Cold blade caught. This is taking forever.
But we have to reduce the number of enemies!
Gah! How annoying.
Hurry up, Chief! Otherwise everyone is...
I know. Just leave it to me.
Chief, we're running out of time!
Hold on. Almost there.
Summoning jutsu.
Chief, the big doggy appeared!
Don't worry. I'll have that doggy put down in no time. And now be quiet. The next opponent is that doggy. Stay out of this one.
Yeah! I'll Crush that guy! Devastated our village! They're so gonna pay for that! Never forgive you! I'll avenge Pervy Sage right here! Giant Rockdagger! I'll show you the Sage Mode power!
Incredible! This is Naruto's power!
I'll never forgive you! Style! Rasen Shuriken! You're mine! Stop messing with our village! Rasengan Barrage! I'll show you the Sage Mode power! Oh no! The road is... What should I do, Chief?
This doggy is so persistent.
He's too busy now!
Naruto, if you defeat the pain who uses the summoning jutsu, the dog will disappear.
Defeat the summoning pain? Okay, I'll give it a try! Feel the chakra? Where is pain? I'll never forgive you! I found you!
If you just let me capture you, everything will be alright.
Yeah, right! How about you let me knock your block off?
I thought we could understand each other. Fine. Then I'll have to bring you to your knees.
Giant Rockdagger!
Listen, Naruto. There is a mastermind behind Pain. Another Pain who revives his fellows.
So there's no point in defeating this guy?
Technically speaking, no. But he can still temporarily erase the summoning animal.
Fine. Then let's erase the summoning animal now!
Sage power. Not bad.
Don't underestimate the Sage Mode! I'll smash you here and now! That dog! I can't believe the Chief is having such a hard time with him!
Let's defeat the jutsu user first. That's our best option.
The doggy disappeared! What's going on?
I'll explain later! Do something about the road!
This one, huh? Leave it to me!
Be careful! The enemy's reinforcements are coming!
Where's Pain? I'll find him!
Naruto, the enemy's reinforcements are approaching.
Got it! I'll wipe them out! Style! Rasen Shuriken! You're mine! show you the Sage Mode power! With me, he's met his match! Style! Rasen Shuriken! You're mine! Never forgive you!
Incredible! This is Naruto's power!
Giant Rasengan! I'll avenge Pervy Sage right here! Giant Never forgive you! Giant Rasengan! Rasengan Barrage! Avenge Pervy Sage right here! Giant Rasengan! Rasengan Barrage! Never forgive you! Giant Rasengan! Style! Rasen Shuriken! You're mine! I'll avenge Pervy Sage right here! This feeling, it's his chakra.
Let's go, Naruto!
Here he is.
I'll finish him in no time!
Even if you have the sage power, you can't win against me.
Yeah? Beat me, then I'll believe you! You messed up my village! My people!
All is for pain.
Enough!
No one can stand against me because I am God.
Giant Rasengan! I'll avenge Pervy Sage right here! I did it!
He's pretty good. I didn't expect Pain to take this much damage.
What? The Pain that Naruto just defeated has revived!
Naruto, you need to defeat the mastermind!
Okay, bring him on!
Mission complete.
Well,
You're the one who's reviving Pain!
you noticed, huh?
But that doesn't change anything.
No matter how strong you become, nothing will change. You are just struggling in vain. Your resistance leads to nothing. In fact, you're straying from the path of peace.
You...
Playtime's over. It's time to get the Nine Tails.